This video demonstrates how to replace the fuser. Before proceeding, ensure that the printer has stopped running, then open the front door. To open the transfer module unit, rotate the locking lever clockwise 90 degrees, then pull out the transfer module. Open paper path baffle. Wait 20 minutes for the fuser to cool down. To release the fuser, turn ember gold thumbscrew counterclockwise until it gets loose. To disengage the fuser, pull the fuser front cover outward. Carefully pull the fuser up and out of the transfer module. Unbox the new fuser. Then carefully insert the fuser into the transfer module. To lock the fuser into the printer, close the paper path baffle, then push the cover back into its position. Push and rotate the ember gold thumbscrew clockwise until finger tight. Push the transfer module back to its position, then rotate the locking lever counterclockwise 90 degrees. Close the front door. Dispose the old fuser as per local policy.